Honda parade. Can you see anybody in your rearview mirror, Honda? Do you mind? Is that necessary? Lane in front of you was wide open. Wide open. You woke up. No, you're not. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Direct to left lane Honda. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That was an exit dive. That was a Toyota. What do I say more often on these videos? Jesus or Toyota? You want to get off my ass, lady?
Sync has detected a new device.
Give me the fucking hand.
Please be alert to changing road conditions.
Thank you. Thank you. Toyo turd. No, 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 no. It's the breakdown lane, not the jerk. It's on motorbike's lane.
Boyfriend Day. Downtown looks great on the lower deck.
No, 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 Toyo turd. No, 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 folks, turd. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, nice cutoff, dude. Red light runners. As close. You're too close. You're too close. You're too close. You're too close. Dude, what the hell do you expect me to go here? Cameroid, move. Moron. Oh God. Racer douchebag. Da 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 da. Boy racer douchebag. You can Get off my butt, thank you. And there he goes again. Whee! Yeah. Are you gonna stop for that stop sign? Even though they have the green, you still have to stop! DM double turd.
Utah and Tom Tillis of North Carolina come just
Wrong lane Jeep. Wrong lane Escape. Yep. That's next time. Jump in the queue. Jump in the queue. They're jumping the queue. Yeah, Corolla's gonna jump the queue. Of course. Of course, direct to the left lane, right? You're gonna direct to the left lane? Of course you are. Because Corolla, because Toyota. You're gonna go, dude? Go. I'll let you go. Go. Yep, and another one. And another one back there. Yep. Exit dive. Back off, dirtbag. Is this what I think it is? Yes, that's an exit dive. Yeah, here we go. Stop sign. Get your feet off the dashboard. That airbag goes off, you lose your feet. Did you miss that stop sign? Did you miss that stop sign? Stop sign. Stop sign on a blind curve. No! Somebody needs to lose a CDL. Use the climbing plane, shithead. Get off my butt. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Would you consider me intimate? Now you turn it. It's not a lane Corolla. Exit regret.
the crash. Okay.
Okay.
See you shortly.
Oh, God. I guess not. Restricted left lane fusion! No. Straight from the left turn lane. Here goes Toyota.
Moving off the shoreline right now, although you might be
Exit
a little bit
regret.
more moving.
Go Bills. Hey. Direct to the left lane Jeep. Flying in my... Yeah, pretty much. That's an exit dive, and you have a flattening tire. The hat, yeah. Just cut him off, no problem. Park like an asshole, no problem. Park like an Amazon driver. No, you took care of it, dude. No, it's too close. Yeah! Asshole! Asshole! Yellow. Red. And he just ran the red, right? Right, he did, and so did he. Jesus Christ. Turn red. Don't let this guy go. Damn it. No, he ran it though.